Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Synreii here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to multi-stream while not having to worry about getting copyrighted while playing music on stream. And even if you want to record all at the same time. Alright, let's get right into it. So, to go to the output, you want to make sure this is on track 1 because we're on the streaming tab. And then for your Twitch VOD track, you want to make sure you could do 2, 3, or 4, 5, 6. It don't really matter, but I chose 4. And then for my recording tab, I put it on track 5 because you want to separate all your audio tracks. So now that if we go here to the advanced audio, see for my, let me see, for my music, I unchecked 4 and 5. So that's why when I click record, even if we're playing music on the background, it's not going to pick it up. It's simple as that, really. And then next thing you want to do is you want to come to this website right here, and under this product tab, you want to download Multistream and Vertical. You're just going to run through the setup, and then once you do that, you're going to close OBS, and then you're going to reopen it, and it's going to look something like this. It might even be under the dock tab. Like this is where all my vertical stuff is, because I do stream on YouTube vertically. And then on here for like main canvases, so just like regular, not vertical, this is how you add, you could add other platforms. And then for YouTube, we do it a little differently, so we don't want no music while we're streaming on Twitch. We don't want no music like being captured. So you just want to go to vertical if you are going to stream in vertical on YouTube. Then check this where it says advanced settings, and you want to go to audio settings. Then when you're clicking a track, you want to click track 4 because that's what we assigned, for no music to be captured. And then when you press OK, so that's basically it. Every time you go live now, you don't have to worry about getting copyrighted or any of that. You could play music while you're gaming and recording at the same time, and it won't even pick up the music. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm out. Peace.